Welcome back to Autocrafters, where passion meets precision. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated revivals in modern automotive history, the 2025 Toyota MR2. A car that defined the golden era of affordable mid-engine sports cars is finally back, and Toyota isn't just resurrecting a nameplate for nostalgia's sake. No, this new MR2 is here to re-establish itself as the quintessential driver's car, compact, lightweight, balanced, and perfectly in tune with the spirit of driving. In this video we're going to break down the performance aspects, design language, and the unique selling points that make the 2025 Toyota MR2 a true standout. That will cover everything from its mid-engine layout and powertrain philosophy to its design cues, driving feel, and how it stacks up in today's sports car landscape. Whether you're a hardcore JDM fan, a weekend track warrior, or simply someone who loves cars that stir the soul, the new MR2 has something for you. So buckle up, because this is going to be a detailed ride through the rebirth of a legend. The car embodies Toyota's new functional dynamism design language. Up front you've got sharp LED headlamps reminiscent of the GR Supra, but sleeker, slimmer, and more angular. The aggressive front fascia integrates active aero elements, adjustable vents that cool the brakes and reduce drag when needed. The side profile is classic MR2 low wedge-like, with that unmistakable cab forward stance. The sculpted doors feature deep air intakes that channel airflow directly to the mid-mounted engine, reminding you this isn't just for show, it's functional. The rear end is arguably the highlight. A wide LED light bar spans the width, inspired by the old SW20 MR2 but reinterpreted in a futuristic way. A retractable active spoiler pops up at speed, while the dual exhaust outlets are neatly integrated into a sharp diffuser. Toyota kept the proportions tight, shorter than a GR Supra, lower than a GR86, but wider for stability. It sits on 19-inch lightweight forged alloys with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires tailored for maximum grip. Step inside and the MR2 stays true to its driver-centric ethos. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster sits in front of the driver, customizable with performance modes Track, Sport, and Daily. The infotainment system is a slim 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but Toyota intentionally kept it minimal to avoid distraction. The cockpit is snug but not cramped. Toyota wanted to replicate that sports car cocoon feel where the driver becomes part of the machine. Everything tilts slightly toward the driver: the infotainment screen, the climate controls, the digital gauge cluster. Bucket seats hug the driver with high bolsters, offering the perfect balance between comfort and track support. Optional Recaro seats are available for enthusiasts who plan to take their MR2 to the circuit. Under the hood, Toyota made a bold move here. The hybrid isn't just about emissions, it gives the MR2 supercar-like low-end acceleration without compromising balance. The battery pack is compact and positioned low in the chassis, ensuring the mid-engine weight distribution isn't disturbed. The MR2 rides on a bespoke lightweight aluminum and carbon-reinforced platform developed with input from Gazoo Racing. Curb weight stays under 3,000 pounds in the gasoline version, making it one of the lightest sports cars in its class. Double wishbone suspension up front and multi-link rear ensure razor-sharp handling. Adaptive dampers adjust in milliseconds, allowing the MR2 to shift from comfortable daily cruiser to track-ready weapon. Steering is electronic but tuned for natural feedback, something Toyota obsessed over to maintain that old-school MR2 connection. From behind the wheel, the MR2 is all about feedback. The seating position is low and central. The pedals are perfectly spaced for heel and toe shifts, and visibility is surprisingly good for a mid-engine car. You feel the turbo spool, the lightweight chassis dancing through corners, the rear end playful yet controllable. It's the spiritual successor to the classic MR2. Unlike many mid-engine cars, Toyota designed the MR2 with daily usability in mind: a small frunk in the front and a compact rear storage area. Comfortable enough ride for commutes with adaptive suspension. Hybrid model offers EV mode for quiet urban driving. Toyota's safety suite includes adaptive cruise lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision systems. This isn't a garage queen, it's a car you can drive every day. The 2025 Toyota MR2 is more than just a comeback story. It's a bold statement in an era where many carmakers are abandoning sports cars. Toyota listened to enthusiasts and delivered a machine that honors the MR2 legacy while embracing modern technology. With its mid-engine balance, hybrid innovation, driver-first design, and Toyota reliability, it's not just another sports car, it's the rebirth of an icon. So whether you're nostalgic for the classics or discovering the MR2 for the first time, this car proves that the thrill of driving is alive and well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest vehicles. Until next time, stay adventurous.